sometimes it's difficult to know what exactly to have students annotate for. So we've put together a document for you that's based on the Common Core Anchor Reading Standards. If you go to the Common Core website and search under the ELA Literacy Standards, you can find the Anchor Standards for Reading. We've selected the Anchor Standards for Reading because they're the most general reading standards that apply K-12 to all disciplines. But you can find specific standards for your grade level and your subject area over on the left here, and make even more specific annotation marks that will fit for your discipline. But what we've done on the table document is we've taken each of these standards and we've tried to outline how you might have students annotate and mark up the text to help them think about what they should be reading to meet these Common Core standards. So if you go back over to this Google document, we've created a basic table where, for example, we've outlined some different things that students might annotate for: central ideas, themes, arguments, supporting details, point of view, purpose, vocabulary, text structure, comparing to other texts, and summarizing. There are certainly many other things that students could annotate for, and it's also very possible that you might only want students to annotate for a couple of these things and really focus in their reading on a key couple of pieces. One of the things I like about annotating is the idea that it should be really personal. So over on the left here, we've created a document or a box where you can have students create their own annotation codes. This might be as simple as color coding. These are going to be red highlights. These are going to be blue highlights. It might be that students want to create their own special markings. One of the things that I thought about, for example, using Preview, they have the special characters such as a bullseye. And to me, that really reminds me of the central ideas, themes, or arguments. It's kind of that main target that the author is trying to achieve in the text. So that might be a great special markup that students want to use when they find those pieces. We've also added some helpful questions that hopefully will guide students into what it is they should be looking for and responding to as they read. And I think the key thing for students is to really understand that annotation is that combination of highlighting, underlining, but also writing and processing what it is they're thinking. I read a really great article that talked about how highlighting is the lowest form of annotation, and that it's really about recording what we're thinking. So these guiding questions can really help students have some ideas about what it is they might say about what they're reading.